One source. How Microsoft is helping with ransomware in Office 365. Microsoft made small but significant changes to its Office 365 subscription service, and to OneDrive. The goal is to make it easier for users, whose files have been encrypted by ransomware, to recover them. The most significant changes is a new button that Office 365 users will see a new file restore function in both applications. All file attachments and links embedded in emails are now scanned for known phishing threats and viruses. All these changes are quite good, but taken together, they represent a significant step in the right direction. Kudos to Microsoft for taking the threat of ransomware so seriously, and adding specific features to help protect their users. For more updates, visit our website and our social link.